Good morning, students. Today we are here to discuss Unit 3 as per syllabus Part A. In Unit 3 we will discuss about ICT skills. ICT skills mean information and communication technology skills. Basically ICT stands for information and communication technology. It includes a set of technological tools and resources for which purpose to create, disseminate, store or manage the information. It includes your radio signal, television, telephone, broadcasting technology, internet and computer system. In a computer system, a data will be stored in a digital form that is called 0 or 1, and each bit is a representative of two distinct amplitude. Whereas in an analog technology, information is translated in electric pulses. Now, UNESCO defines information as a science dealing with the design, realization and evaluation or use or maintenance of information processing system, and it can include your hardware part, software part or human being aspect that can be used by industries or commercial purpose. People generally use in daily life ICT skills. ICT skills enable anytime, anywhere to access the information from any particular website or particular source. The various ICT tools include your computer, we use at a work, smartphone through which we can talk, internet for getting the information, and communication with others through using email or social website networks, or watching movies or TVs. For example, to find a job, it is the best example. If a user want to search any job for earning money, what will happen? You may have to search the internet for job opening. You have to create your resume. Afterward, you will use the email to send the resume with the help of phone or either by your computer system. And a telephonic interview will help you to finalize your job and you will get offer letter through an email. It means ICT skills help you to communicate, run our business and stay connected with other family or friends. Every person needs general ICT skills, building them to stay updated with the latest softwares and hardwares. Now we are going to start session 1. Session 1 is Introduction to ICT. Information can be recorded or stored in many ways. It can be either handwritten or on a paper. It can be typed also with the help of typewriter. When information is stored and recorded on an electronic device, it can be get converted in a digital form. And ICT devices are tablets, smartphone and laptops, as shown in diagram also. As a student, you will be able to identify and understand the functions of main component of a typical information or communication system. Various communication peripherals we are using in daily life. It will help you to effectively utilize the knowledge and skills of ICT. And what is the need of ICT skills? You will be able to know how to operate computer, and you will be know how to browse the internet for collecting, storing or disseminating the information for a particular user. Now, next part is how ICT skills can be used, where we can use it. Now, ICT skills can be used at a workplace. Generally, it happens right now, the online banking system is there, everything is online, either textbooks or research papers in educational institute. So, at workplace, we use different computer softwares and application to complete different type of tasks like making the documents, calculation, tables and graphs. So we can use application in a daily routine life, like buying the online things or railway tickets. Modern ICT skills employs a variety of media form, like it include text, graphics, animation, audio, video, etc. It also include creating, managing information or images or documents, or collecting the processing data and presenting it. Therefore, employees are expected to possess a sound skill of all these such type of work, independability on various softwares and computer system. Next, ICT at home. How we can use it at home? In the routine life, there are many ways to use the ICT skill at home with the help of smartphones. Like using the internet connection, we can use social media networks such as Facebook, Instagram or Twitter. So we use computer and mobile phones for talking to each other, sending and receiving information, watching videos and news, listening to music. All are the part of your ICT skills. Some websites are also given in a table. ICT skill used for agriculture, retail, beauty and wellness, banking and finance, apparel, logistics or healthcare. So with the help of using particular website, we can go through the information and we can use the ICT skills. Many websites provide training programs also. Many websites provide agriculture skills also, training on logistics sector, healthcare services. Everything is possible with the help of ICT skills. Now next part is ICT tools, smartphones and tablets. What are smartphones and tablets? Everybody knows smartphones and tablets are becoming more and more important as most people carry them around and use them in a daily routine life, like for sending emails, messages and sharing the pictures. Without this skill, most people can't work with others. The spreading of an idea or of news occurring somewhere in this world is now possible with the help of social websites on the internet. As long as one person is able to communicate with other with the help of different type of smartphones or internet services, is depend upon the situations. Smartphones are now become more popular for connecting or exchanging the information. Now what are smartphones? What is the difference between smartphone and others? We will discuss in this session. Smartphones, mobile phones are ICT tools for talking to the people in a complete world. It is advanced technology system now. With the help of smartphone, a user can send mails, making video calls, playing games, listening to the music, watching movies, and many more options are available now for editing the pictures also. So smartphones are also called mobile phones, as you can see them in anywhere, at home, in office, on road, or they don't have a telephone line. These are a wireless systems. So because they are easy to operate, they are very useful for a user, and they are using the operating system like Android, OS, Apple and Windows Mobile also. Next is tablets. What is the use of tablet? For some activities such as reading a book for a long time, the screen of mobile should be too small. So such type of activities can be performed with the help of tablet. A tablet is a mini computer that can with the help of input, output, processing function that are all combined into a one touch screen, where you can do various tasks like by touching its screen. It is bigger than smartphone and you can perform all the functions that one can perform on a smartphone or a computer system. Next is TV and radio. TV and radio are also being most important in ICT skill. They are being used as a ICT tool. Radio is used to broadcast audio, while TV is used to broadcast audio visual information to a group of people. Radio and TV both are used for entertainment and to learn new things also. You can hear news, songs, stories, speech, cricket commentary and so on with the help of radio, while TV is used for watching movies, news, weather, forecasting reports, songs and so many purposes. Now applications of or apps. How smartphone can be used as an application for apps? How does a smartphone perform so many functions? It does with the help of software application. On the screen, smartphone or tablet, you see a lot of small icons. If you touch anyone, the program will get start open, like playing games, using cameras. And apps are the software programs generally that allows for a certain types of computer operations, like that perform different functions. Some of the apps are already present in your phone. These are called default app. Otherwise, a user can install the app from a Play Store also. Google Store provides the facility. Android Store also provides the facility for downloading such type of apps which a user requires. Now, commonly found applications are in smartphone and tablets. The difference is there. As a smartphone, the main use, but as a phone, but with some additional features. It means smartphone can be used for the purpose of talking, but with some additional features like camera or like some other functions. While a tablet can be used like a computer system for a bigger screen. Screen size is smaller in case of smartphone, has a bigger screen size in case of tablet. Watching movie or changing to a picture is very difficult in smartphone, but it is easier to change the picture or photo in a better quality or easier to do it bigger screen size. You need to charge the smartphones, usually have a longer battery life in case of tablets. And it comes with different storage capacities, but phones with high storage are costly. But tablet have higher storage capacity, they can store more pictures, audio or videos. Next part is ICT tools. ICT tools, it means which tools can be used to operate that, like mobile layout structure, what is the structure of mobile. Some of the various tools are there. As you are looking in diagram, earpiece, volume button, home button, menu button, microphone, back button, touch screen and power button. You are looking in daily routine life in mobile phone system. Like use the power button, it is used to start or shut down the mobile phone. Screen on which we can perform different functions by touching. And back button, you use the back button to go back to the previous screen. And microphone, it is present at the bottom of mobile and we can speak into a microphone when we talk to some person. And menu button, it is used to show the various options available in a particular apps. And home button, it brings you back to the home screen from where you have started your mobile. And earpiece, it helps you to listen the voice calls. And volume button, it helps you to increase or reduce the sound of your mobile system. Basic features of mobiles are like given in a table: Bluetooth facility, chargeable battery, Wi-Fi, touchscreen, camera, clocks, cellular network connectivity, global positioning system, that is also known as GPS, for find out the location or the route for a particular location. These are general facility. I am not going to discuss these all. Everybody knows about these facilities available in mobile phone. And home screen of a mobile, what it is? It is the first screen that is available when we are going to open our mobile system. And main part of home screen are basic gesture use. Gestures are used to interact with the touch screen with your mobile. For example, instead of clicking a mouse to open an app, you can use a touch screen. Like gesture is shown in the figure also. Figure is not present here. Like you are moving your finger right, left in both position. Tap. Tap is to touch the screen with your finger once and to click. Second option is tap and hold. This is similar to right clicking your mouse. And drag to tap, hold and move your finger across the screen. And swipe to slide finger to right, left, up or down of screen, like turning a page. And double tap to tap double quickly this to zoom out of your screen. And pinch to bring thumb and finger together on screen to zoom in, for example to make a picture appear smaller. So this is all about your ICT technology skills, tools and uses. It is the basic technology skill chapter. It's very easy to understand. If you are facing any problem in any part of this chapter, you can contact to me on my WhatsApp number, and my WhatsApp number is 999118890. You can just put your query on my WhatsApp. I'll give reply on your same number. Thank you. Have a nice day.